In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple prototype flows on a single Figma page so you can test different user journeys without creating separate files. Start by opening your Figma file and creating the screens you want to include in each user flow. For example, you might have a login screen, a register screen, and a registration success screen. Place all of these frames on the same page and keep them organized with enough space between each flow. Next, switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Select the first frame of your login flow. In the Prototype panel, click the plus flow starting point button. This creates a separate prototype flow and lets you give it a name such as login flow. Now select the first frame of your registration flow and add another flow starting point. Rename it to register flow. Repeat this process for any additional user journeys you want to test independently. After creating the flow starting points, connect your screens using prototype interactions. Drag the prototype node from buttons or links to the destination frames and choose the appropriate actions such as navigate to, open overlay, or back. Once your connections are complete, click the present button in the top right corner. In presentation mode, you'll see a flow selector that allows you to choose between your different prototype flows. Select any flow to start testing that specific user journey without affecting the others. Using multiple flow starting points is a great way to organize complex projects, separate user paths, and make stakeholder reviews much easier. That's it! You've successfully created multiple prototypes and separate flows on a single Figma page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.